Here we will see multilevel inheritance in Python. Multilevel inheritance is one type of inheritance which is used to inherit both base class and derived class features to the newly derived class. When we inherit a derived class from a base class and another derived class from the previously derived class up to any extent of the depth of the classes, it's called multilevel inheritance in Python. While inheriting, the methods and members of the both base class and derived class will be inherited to the newly derived class. By using inheritance, we can achieve the reusability of code relationships between the classes. If we have three classes A, B and C, where A is a superclass, that is parent class, B is a subclass, that is child class, and C is the subclass of B, that is grandchild class. Here class A is a base class, then class B is immediate class and class C is a derived class. General syntax is class base 1, then body of the base class, then class derived 1 which inherits base 1, then body of derived class, and then class derived 2 which inherits derived 1, and then body of the derived class. Here we will write a Python program to explain multilevel inheritance in Python. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define class A, and here we will define method display which will print the message inside class A. Then we will define class B which inherits class A. Here we will define another method display1. Then here we will call the method display from class A with super keyword. So super.display, and then we will print the message inside class B. Then we will define another class C which inherits B. Here we will write the method display2, and here we will call the method display1 from class B. So super.display1, and then we will print the message inside class C. Then we will create object of our class C, and we will call the method display2 from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will print inside class A, class B and class C. Here we have defined class A which have the method display, then class B which inherits class A. So here we have called the method display from class A, then we have defined class C which inherits B, and here we will call the method display1 from class B.